High temperature events. Describe how the cognitive cube interprets the current IoT stream from 3D to 10D. DSS, governance alerts, and control actions. Explain the last read DSS alert in one paragraph for audit logging. Trigger escalation guidance for TSI 0.35. Provide a governance justification for pausing machine M07 based on real-time signals. Summarize cross-line governance flags for the current anomaly pattern. Convert current IoT spikes into a decision-ready governance control node, TSI plus KPI plus 3D, 10D layers. Convert today's IoT signal pattern into an operational optimization roadmap for production continuity. Explain which machines require immediate attention to avoid throughput loss in the next shift. Provide Q priority actions from the last 10 high-energy events. Generate an operational stability map using TSI trajectory plus variance plus predictive alerts. Identify bottlenecks causing systemic instability across units and recommend Q level actions. Plant head shop floor governance and workforce coordination. 5. Explain which machines pose the highest risk today and what the plant head should coordinate immediately. Translate the last TSI dip into actionable shop floor instructions for team supervisors. Provide a plant head, ready summary of vibration spikes and their maintenance implications. Show which shifts are contributing most to variance and how they should adjust work routines. Generate a plant-wide health score based on last 50 IoT events and outline immediate corrective actions.